Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Garfield Kart 2 all you can drift game crashing at startup, lagging, freezing, low FPS, not launching, not loading, showing black screen issue on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PC once. So for that, click on the start option over here, then click on power, then select a restart. So after restarting your system, now launch the game and see if it helps. If not, next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager. Now go below your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then again tap on search automatically for drivers. So it will search for the driver if any update is available, and after that launch the game and see if it works. Nvidia and AMD users can go through the link that I have provided in the description, and from there you can easily update your graphics card and then try to launch the game and see if it helps. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you need to type -dx11 and then check if it's working or not. If not, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it works to fix the problem. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to search option, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click on allow an app or feature, then click on change settings, and here you need to search for the game. If not added, click on allow another app, then click on browse, then go to the game folder where it has been installed, select your game. After selecting it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. And after that, launch the game and see if it helps. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library sections. Now right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So after this, try to play the game and see if you can play it without any further problem. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to search option, search for check for updates, and this will take you to the Windows update. If any update is available, you simply need to update it. Once you update your Windows, now try to launch the game and check if it helps to resolve the issue. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to the Steam. Now select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game folder. Select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and then click on compatibility, and here you need to click on run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and OK. After this, launch the game and see if it helps. If not, click on disable full screen optimizations and then hit on apply and OK, and after that check if this works to resolve the problem. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here, then click on settings. After that, click on in-game, and here you have the option of enable the Steam overlay while in game option. It will be enabled, so you simply need to click on it to disable it. Once it is disabled, now try to launch the game and check if it works. For GeForce Experience users, tap on the gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay option. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, then game overlay tab, and here switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, go to the link that I have provided in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now go below, and from here you need to download the Visual C++ files. After downloading it, install them, and after that launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then uninstall, and click on uninstall option. So after uninstalling the game, restart your system once. After restarting, reinstall the game and then try to play and check if everything is working fine and you can play the game without any problem. So these are few solutions that will help you to fix Garfield Kart 2 all you can drift game crashing, not launching, black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.